gbangba àti táwọn Fúlàní wà àfẹ́kọ́ sí bẹ̀ mọ́. Ohun tá a bá wá ẹ̀rí pé ọ̀pọ̀ rárá nítorí ẹ̀ la ṣe wá síbí yìí. À ń fún àyàn àgbàgbà lórí 24 hours láti wá ọ̀nà àbáyọ. After that, a ní sọ̀rọ̀ mọ́. Action. Ohun tá a bá gbà yìí.
Àwọn ọ̀gá. Bàbá lè ní àwọn.
No, aláàpá ẹ̀yin náà mọ̀. Audience!
Sábàmù gbogbo wa Tinubu ni òun ló kó bá wa ó tún ti fẹ́ dáná ní Iraq olóhùn lè jagun kí ló kà wá gan nífẹ̀ẹ́ ọ̀gá kó bá wa ní ebi pamẹ̀kúnnù àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ jẹ gànjẹ àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ yẹn gànjẹ fẹ́mi èlò fẹ́mi èlò fami nínú nígbàdé láàárọ̀ dùnmọ́ ẹ wá gba jẹ́ àwọn sọ owó tí mo fẹ́ fún yín òun mo fẹ́ fi ra gàrí o àti púlìsì àti púlìsì yòrówó mọ́ ẹ wá máa ń lọ lé o wọ́n gba tìyẹ lọ́wọ́ ẹ lè pín sí mẹ́ta ìmẹ̀kúnnù lè mí. Sábàmù gbogbo wa.
Àwọn ọ̀dọ́ méjì rẹ̀ ń wò yẹn. Àwọn ọ̀dọ́ kan náà dìde yẹn kí lẹ lè sọ sáwọn yẹn. Ọ̀dọ́ kan ló ń jó bàbí à ń la yìí. Àwọn ọ̀dọ́ kan ni wọ́n lọ sí ààfin kábíyèsí. Tí wọ́n takú pé àwọn ò fẹ́ Fúlàní nílùú àwọn ọmọ wàhálà yìí pọ̀ tí wọ́n já ewé dání. Pípa yìí ti tó gẹ́ kó yé máa pààyàn bí ẹran náà mọ̀. Wọ́n ń jiyàn pé wọ́n ń gba orí ibú owó. Àwọn àgbèrè lọ́sọ̀kọ́ mọ́ àwọn ọ̀dọ́ kan ni wọ́n yarí pé àwọn fún àwọn àgbàlagbà ní 24 hours sí. Wọ́n ò ro risk tó wà ń bẹ̀. Wọ́n ò rò bí ọlọ́pàá lè wá káwọn lọ́la. Wọ́n ò rò bí àwọn bàbá yẹn gan lè ṣe nǹkan tó yẹ pé kò ní da. Tóbi táwọn àgbàlagbà wá dé ń sìn wọ́n ṣe trust. Ọ̀dọ́ kan ló wá fúnra ara ẹ̀. Ó kó wọn wọnú compound ẹ̀. Wọ́n jọ ń jó bá bí à ń la. Ọ̀dọ́ A òun làwọn ọ̀dọ́ tó wọ́n lọ sí ààfin yẹn. Ọ̀dọ́ B lélẹ̀. Ẹ bá mi rate àwọn méjèèjì ní 1 to 10 ní comment section. Ṣebí bá bí à ń la iná wọ́n ń jó fún wa nígbà kan aláṣubá mú bá bí à ń la àṣírí ààbò bá bí à ń la. A máa kó aṣọ fún wọn. Àwọn ìró àti bùbá wa a máa kó fún wọn. Àwọn Christian máa sọ pé má fi nǹkan tó bá ń wọ̀ sí ara ẹ̀ má fi tọrọ. Ṣùgbọ́n nígbà yẹn ọlá pé Yorùbá ní ojú àánú. Gbogbo ẹ̀ la máa kó lé wọn lọ pé ẹ gbà. Ẹ máa kó lọ. To my surprise ni wípé jọta ti ń kó aṣọ yẹn fún wọn nígbà yẹn táwọn ìyá wa máa kó aṣọ fún wọn àwọn aṣọ bàbá wa àwọn agbádá àwọn gbogbo ṣòkòtò gíní kíní kan ǹjẹ́ ṣe mistake ẹ̀rìn níjọ́ kan kẹ́ pàdé àwọn pípù yìí kàn wọ ìró àti bùbá tán kó fún wọn. Ṣé kìí ṣe pé ibi tó gun ti kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní jalè Yorùbá nìyẹn àwọn ìró àti bùbá tán kọ́kọ́ kó fún wọn yẹn àwọn ìró àti bùbá yẹn dà. Ó yá irun tó ń gùn kíní kan tó ń gùn wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní kó wá a bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní kó jarí bóyá ló mọ́ pọlọ àìmọye èèyàn sún mẹ́yìn tí wọ́n ṣe ronú nípa ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ṣe mo nǹkan tó bá fi bẹ ẹlẹ́dàá èèyàn mo kàn ń suggest ní o mi mọ̀ bóyá mú yẹ́ẹ̀sì lọ́dọ̀ ti yín o èmi ń rò ó ní o tó bá wá mú yẹ́ẹ̀sì lọ́dọ̀ ti yín tọ̀ tó bá wá mú yẹ́ẹ̀sì ẹ jẹ́ á mọ̀ torí fídíò pọ̀ ní fídíò yìí sójà kan bọ́ta ó ní òun máa bá àwọn jihadist àwọn Fúlàní herdsmen ní àti gbogbo tó wà ní Nàìjíríà pátá bá wọn fi orí gbárí ó ní kò síbì kan tí ẹnìkan kan lọ ó lọ máa make sure pé òun ṣiṣẹ́ láti keep Nigeria as one tẹ́ bá wá wo sójà yẹn ẹ bá mi wo ibi tó ń gbé ẹ bá mi wo facility tó wà ẹ bá mi ní war front ẹ bá mi wo condition ẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n ní òun ní tòun o bí òun bí ó ní kò sí ẹnìkan tó lè pín Nàìjíríà àwọn bàbá kan tó wá bọ́ta wọ́n ní Fúlàní rán àwọn oníṣẹ́ sí gbogbo Nàìjíríà o àgàgà south west ibi tán wà nílẹ̀ ibi tán ti dé dúró ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá wọ́n ti ṣàlàyé fún bàbá yẹn ara àwọn àgbàlagbà pásítọ̀ ni wọ́n ti ṣàlàyé fún wọn ní káwọn wá ṣàlàyé fún gbogbo wa ni kó ní kálukú máa rẹ́dì kó ní kálukú ṣe kí ni kó ní kálukú máa rẹ́dì ẹnìkan náà brother wa kan náà tí wọ́n advice pé bí kó ní kálukú lọ wá kéékèèké we have to protect ourselves CDS náà ti sọ everybody náà wò lè wọ́n protect ara wa báwo la ṣe fẹ́ protect ara wa wo ìwọ tó bá ti mọ bí táwọn people yìí dé dúró nísìn ibi tí wọ́n tẹ kọ́kọ́ fẹ́ béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín níjọ́ kìíní àná tí wọ́n wọlé tó fẹ́ pa wọ́n run nílẹ̀ Yorùbá kó tó di pọ́ ọmọ ogun Ìbàdàn dìde wọ́n ránṣẹ́ sí Tògbómọ̀ṣọ́ ránṣẹ́ sí Èkìtì gbogbo wa parapọ̀ aléyàlẹ́yà wọn dànù ìlú wo ni wọ́n dé sí tí wọ́n ti gbà lọ́wọ́ wa dè nílẹ̀ Yorùbá tí wọ́n claim pé àwọn làwọn dá kalẹ̀ ibo làwọn 2025 yìí ibo làwọn Lákúráwá àbí kí lórúkọ ẹ̀ ibo náà wà dẹnikẹ́ wá wọ bí tí wọ́n fi ṣe ilé ẹ wo ọwọ́ wà nù fídíò yìí ẹ farabalẹ̀ jòkó báyìí kẹfẹ̀yìntì agbọ́ wìrìwìrì ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu mi bẹ́ẹ̀nbẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀nbẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀nbẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ wọ́n tó bá ti ń wo fídíò yìí má tó bá ti láì nǹkan tá à ń play fún ẹ yìí má hesitate láti tẹ thumb up lórí show yìí kò ṣí àìfẹ́ àwọn tó bá máa ṣí ẹ̀ fún ẹ fi kọ́mẹ́ǹtì yín sí comment section tẹ bá ń ṣe báyìí ẹ help page láti máa grow ni àwọn èèyàn á lè máa rí tẹ bá lọ sọ́dọ̀ àwọn ọmọ Ìgbò mo ibẹ̀ ṣe máa ń kọ kọ́mẹ́ǹtì á lè máa mú negative way forward la máa mú wá fún yín we move la máa mú wá fún yín lórí page not everything about negative pé negative yẹn kan bó Sunday Igboho ṣe máa yálà yẹ kíníkan àsọ wípé lórí page ẹ lè kọ kọ́mẹ́ǹtì 1 million èèyàn kan lè challenge yín ẹ kọ́kọ́ bá mi wo fídíò yìí kẹ́ wá wo ká wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ látòrí sójà yẹn.
These people you are seeing are not Nigerians. They are Niger people, and they are importing more of them. They are coming to Nigeria and they are all Chineke.
Wọ́n fi tírélà wọ́n fi rù wọ́n wọlé. Ẹ wá bá gbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu alágbára nú àwọn sójà o sọ̀rọ̀ sókè o.
Now, come and see our house later. Come.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n tó máa sọ fún
You can see here they live. Here they live.
Okay.
This is my Bible. You can see my Bible. This is my remaining uniform here. You see, this is where we live. This one, that's where this is where we borrow some confidence more. You see, this is my friend on.
Yes, sir.
You can see, if you don't matter rain heaven from here to end of
That
the
kind
world.
Fulani room maybe this now.
Yeah, but I know they enter.
Yeah, I know.
See where I keep my right there. We're ready for action. You can see, we spend after we didn't even spend money, we spend a lot of money inside.
Yes, sir.
We spend a lot of money.
Yes, sir.
You can see, you can make yourself be happy. When you see this country, we must reach the end of every problem in this world.
What advice you must make yourself happy. Hey John, Nigerians, are you happy? Happy. Are you happy? Say happy. In Nigeria of today, is anybody happy? Are we happy? Is it you? I am me gbangli make ṣàwàdà lórí show yìí because show yìí fẹ́ pa ó bí mi nínú but mi fẹ́ ṣe àwàdà lórí ẹ̀ ẹ wo bí wọ́n ṣe ń fi ọkọ̀ rù wọ́n wọlé wọ́n láwọn làwọn nílùú eléyìí ni o máa ṣiṣẹ́ débi pé Nàìjíríà máa jẹ́ one ó dà pé pastor ni Holy Ghost fire àbí pastor kọ́ ni ó advice pé any condition tẹ́ bá wà you must make sure you are happy àbí sójà yẹn ọ̀dọ́ lòun náà o lẹ́yìn yẹn ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu bàbá wa kan pásítọ̀ ni wọ́n àgbàlagbà ni wọ́n ohun tí àwọn agbésùmọ̀mí sọ fún wọn wọ́n ní káwọn sọ fún wa ká fi tí ara wa gbọ́ kó má ní pé àbí tàbí ṣùgbọ́n dẹ̀ǹsẹ̀ kò sí bẹ́ẹ̀ o kò sí bẹ́ẹ̀ o ẹ máa wá gbọ́ bí tí wọ́n sọ pé wọ́n ti dé ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá àwọn fídíò mi á wá tẹ̀lé láti support ẹ̀ oníkálukú wa wá lájú kalẹ̀ báyìí níta fẹ́ ṣe nílẹ̀ Yorùbá kò tí ì yé mi ogun gbọ́ but we move sẹ́ we move oníkálukú ló máa padà dìde ṣebí àwọn pásítọ̀ oríṣiríṣi tí ń dé sí bàbá Adébóyè sọ pé ẹ kàn fáwọn ní restructuring àbí kàn pé Nàìjíríà díẹ̀ ni ẹni tó máa san owó ìdámẹ́wàá ní church tó máa ti jí gbé yìí ló dẹ̀ jí gbé tí òróró ara ìsìn sínú ilé tó máa jẹ tí ó máa san ìdámẹ́wàá ó máa kún everybody one way or the other máa fi kún Nigeria is happening to everybody even our tàwọn abroad Nigeria happen sí wa wàá ṣiṣẹ́ kó tó gba check ẹ̀hún pay check wọ́n ti máa sọ pé ẹnìkan forí gún bá bu àyà o ẹnìkan ti fọrùn kọ́ bá bu àyà o ẹnìkan kẹsàn ó ti nọ̀sẹ̀ sí kànga o grandma lóyún o grandma bímọ o ẹnìkan ṣe in fact bóyá kò bí ìdẹ̀mọ̀dọ́ ti yín ṣùgbọ́n lọ́dọ̀ tèmi orí ń ta mí ní ìmọ̀ bí orí ń ta ẹ̀yin náà ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà nílùú òyìnbó it's happening to everybody let's listen ẹ ká gbọ́ ọ̀rẹ́ nu gbé ní war front olójú ogun ṣùgbọ́n yet Holy Ghost fire ó dàbẹ̀ ni pé Christian ni sójà yẹn pastor ló máa jẹ́ àbí kó jẹ́ reverend father àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà rere nìyẹn sójà yìí wàá wá gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ kí bá mi share video kó kan sójà yìí lára ó fẹ́ bá àwọn Fúlàní àwọn x-men àwọn jihadis fẹ́ bá wọn forí gbárí wọ́n làwọn ní Nàìjíríà àbí sójà yóò gbọ́ kò gbọ́ nǹkan kan ni ṣó ń ka pépà ló gbó tó wà ṣá.
These people you are seeing are not Nigerians. They are Niger people, and they are importing more of them. They are coming to Nigeria and they are WAHALA Chineke.
But okay, only Bible. Holy Ghost fire.
What pains me most is that these people told us that they are going to bring, after buying enough weapons, they'll bring all those that have been put in disarray, driven away from Zamfara, Katsina, Zambisa forest, that they are all coming to locate themselves in Igbo land, that there's no security in Igbo land, that they will come there and then they will deal with us. And that the dumb man was just flippant. Maybe he took something. He said, do you know Ibadan? Lagos Expressway. We are in all the bush there. We're everywhere there. We're also in the south. So we are waiting for the slightest signal. We will finish you people and take over this land. So they claim that Nigeria belongs to Fulani. They said it. That is why we are afraid of, I've been talking about this open grazing and this Roga. Yeah. They have a plan. And I accuse the soldiers who are not non-Christians. Some of them are Fulani. They are part of it. Because they are shooting these men. When our people wanted to comb the bush, the soldiers said, if you move a step, we'll finish you. Don't go there. So they know where the boys are, they know the location, and what they do is in the daytime they use their cow to confuse people. Then after some time the cows will go to rest and they take their gun and do the operation of kidnapping. Government should act decisively. they should act decisively. Otherwise, what is happening in the northern part of the country will be a child's play to what will happen here. So government should sit up, because the primary purpose of government is to secure life and property. Yeah. Any government that has failed in that has failed woefully. And Nigeria is on a reverse gear. We are nosediving. We are nosediving. You know, we don't have security. All the bush we went around, no soldier, no police, nothing. The people, you know, were having a field there. And where they released us was, if they kidnap people along Isukwato, they will parade them round, and there, when they pay ransom, they are released from that particular spot. Those they arrest, they kidnap along the Enugu Expressway, Log Banta, they bring them. Eventually, they bring them there to collect ransom. Those they kidnap along anywhere in the south, around the southwest. So they know that they are there. And I guess that when I said to the
Sherry, kí n tó play fídíò tó kù fún yín. Ìlú wo lẹ gbọ́ kó sọ pé ti dé nílẹ̀ Yorùbá? Wípé bẹ́ẹ̀ náà wà. Ibẹ̀ yẹn gangan ni wọ́n bèsì. Màá wá play fídíò tó máa tó gba lẹ́yìn fún yín. Tẹ́ máa fi mọ̀ wípé wọ́n ti wọ̀ wá láàrin tán, wọ́n kì í dé sílẹ̀ Yorùbá pátápátá. Pé wọ́n ti fi wá sáàárín. Ṣé pé bàbá yìí nílẹ̀ Ìgbò? Ẹ̀gbọ́n tó sọ pé àwọn sójà wọn. Wọ́n táwọn aráàlú àwọn bá fẹ́ kọ́ǹpù igbó, wọ́n fẹ́ ro igbó. Wọ́n láwọn àwọn sójà náà máa ń sọ fáwọn aráàlú àwọn pé tẹ́ bá ro igbó kan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn, àwọn afáyà yín dànù, wọ́n á fi ìbọn fọ́ orí anybody. That Nigeria belongs to them. Many of them are Fulani jihadists. Má tó wá sójà tó kọ́kọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn, sójà yẹn ṣé a máa pè ní Fulani ṣá? Àbí ká sọ pé believe nínú wọn Nigeria. Ntẹ́ bá rí láàrin ọ̀rọ̀ tí sójà yẹn sọ. Àtọ̀ mo fẹ́ play video kan fún dé pé máa farabalẹ̀ gbádùn lọ́wọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tí sójà yẹn sọ àti tí bàbá yìí sọ. Ntẹ́ bá rí ẹ bá mi kọ sí comment section. Tẹ́ bá wá gbádùn tí mo ra fún yín jẹ yìí, ẹ tẹ thumb up lórí show yìí, ẹ kọ comment tí yín náà, ẹ wá share video yìí, ẹ share video yìí, ẹ sọ fáwọn tó kù yín, ẹ ní kàn subscribe sí YouTube channel yìí. Eke is our hobby here. Eke mo lọ mú wá fún yín báyìí torí wọlé ẹran núrù. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ti download tap send, ẹ bá mi download tap send, kí lẹ̀ ń wò. Ẹ lo promo code Abiola TTS lákọ̀ọ́kọ́ tẹ́ bá kọ́kọ́ fẹ́ ju owó sí Nàìjíríà. App tó yẹ pé tẹ́ bá lò ẹ máa gbádùn ẹ̀ ni. Kò sí pé bóyá kinní kan no dẹ̀nsẹ̀ no from this one to this one third party no direct deposit tàwa máa ń ṣe. Ẹ jẹ́ agbọ́bi tí wọ́n ti dé kóníkàkú farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ gbọ́ full video lélẹ̀ tí mo mú wá fún yín kí já video tẹ́ ẹ̀ rí kiri yẹn o, full video bí tí wọ́n dé map àwọn tó ti gbé gbogbo ẹ̀ lẹ́ máa wò.
All right, so Nigerians, I want to show you something so that you understand what we are facing, right? Now, I didn't want to make this post because I don't want to cause panic within Nigerians, but the way the thing they go, with just few more states, will be completely, totally surrounded by the headsmen. Just few more states. So, I need to understand how deep this insecurity don't finish this country. Do you understand? So, pay attention. Now, this is a diagram of the Nigerian map. On this diagram, you will notice some red circles. This diagram will show us the attack that Nigeria has suffered since 1997 to 2015 alone. Now, from the map, you will notice these red circles. These small circles represent the amount of people where we don't lose for those regions. The amount, those small circles represent 0 to 30 persons. And the big circle represents 120 to 150 persons. Now, if you notice, these red circles, they across the whole Nigerian map, apart from one place. And that one place, now KB State. This was between 1997 to 2015. Now, only KB States, they no attack. But guess what? In present day, they don't attack KB States.
Multiple times.
This news now, just this year alone, multiple times they have been attacked. That's number one. Now, let's quickly go to the kidnappings where it don't happen across the whole 36 states, so that you can understand how messed up our security day and how surrounded we are. Now, if you notice this map again, this is the Nigerian map. You can notice this red. This one a kidnapping where don't happen between 2022 and 2023 alone. Just 2022, just in a space of 1 year. In a space of 1 year, so that you can understand.
Now, look the map where you go see say states like Zamfara don't suffer over 700 persons were kidnapped. You go see Kaduna 690. But the one where you go notice we say all the states where they for our map between 1 year they kidnap
for all the states in Nigeria.
So we are pretty much surrounded. Do you understand? Now let's come back to Benue State. This thing will happen for Benue State no start today. At all. 2018 alone, there was a mass burial in Benue. This protest where youth come and come protest now. Protest before they don't protest. Do you understand? So it not just start today. So this one go beyond just fights. It's not be fights. This not be say people they drag land. There's something going on. Now this is how you know that there's something going on. Let me bring you to the map of Nigeria, and you will now see the place that have been affected. You see the area that have been affected. Then you notice that slowly, just few places remain. They don't take over. Let's start with the northeast region. Yobe, Borno, Gombe, Adamawa, Taraba, Bauchi. All this side. For the northeast region. Don't attack them. Now let's go to the northwest region. Jigawa, Kano, Katsina, Kaduna, Zamfara. All this place. KB, all this place. They don't attack them. Now, these people don't they come down. They don't come down. They don't enter the northeast region, and they already don't dominate the northeast region because Plateau Jos, they see the attack up to today. Benue, they see the attack up to today. But guess Nasarawa, they see the attack up to today. Abuja, they don't attack. Niger State, they don't attack. Kwara, they don't attack. Kogi, few reports of attacking Kogi. They don't go down. They don't go down. From Benue State now, Benue State takes you to Enugu. And they have been attacking Enugu even just 2 days ago. Even as this Benue in the trend, they attack Enugu. So she said they don't come down now. They don't attack Enugu. Ebonyi State, they see the fights there. And there have been multiple attacks as well in Ebonyi State. Now, Cross River State, there's a video that came out 2 days ago. When Cross River people say Fulani must go. Abi herdsmen, Fulan, they say Fulani must go, say that then they attack their people. Say they don't already carry out attack. You see, Abi? Do you understand? So they don't go Cross River. Now, very, very soon, after Cross River now, I they even talk, say, even Bayelsa, they don't enter Bayelsa. They don't knock Bayelsa. Edo people, they don't knock Edo states. So the states now where remain, where they never, Imo states have been accounts too. Imo. Anambra states have also been attacked. In like 2021, 2022, they attacked Anambra, so they enter Anambra. Delta states, they never really get attacked like that. Edo State, they don't attack Edo State. Ondo State, they don't attack Ondo States. So the main states now where we say they never really get accounts, they never get scores. Now Lagos, Ogun, Osun, Oyo. So you see the amount of states where remain, they don't even reach 7. So we are pretty much surrounded. Insecurity don't sink us deep. Like this, we are the mercies of herdsmen. So if we are not very, very careful, they could wipe us all clean. They are coming for us. They are coming for everyone. So when things like this happen, and they see a lot of youths, they talk, say, they not fit come our states. May they try for here, They're there everywhere, bro. They are preparing for everybody. They never just come, but they come. So you have to really be vigilant. They are coming for all of us. You have to be vigilant. And there's nobody to protect us. Because apparently, it seems like, say, even government no feel really do much. So we need to join hands with the government by protecting ourselves. If you don't want to organize vigilantes, we want to organize vigilantes. Even if not all made, we want to make for the vigilantes, make the whole arm. Some people say, if they carry gun, now give all these communities, may they protect themselves. Say the communities, they'll go, they do highway robbery. They'll go, they buy people. Listen to me. If you calculate all the highway robbery where don't happen for this country, you know, reach one state where herdsmen don't buy. I would rather say they get highway robbery. Say they stop you, they snatch your car, they carry your motor, go. Than these herdsmen attack where they go on for Nigeria, where they'll go burn over 200 people alive, where they'll go do all these things, all this atrocity, all this barbaricness. I would rather say they snatch properties. So if you are scared, say, oh yeah, if they harm vigilantes, if they start with the let guns,
Ashiri abo babi anla alasuba mu babi anla Ashiri abo babi anla alaba musa babi anla. Now listen to nǹkan tí olórí tó fẹ́ ṣọ́ wa sọ.
Because, you know, having gone through my analysis and looking at the Sahel, the main attraction to all these terrorists and bandits is Nigeria, because this perception Nigeria is a rich country,
and that it's that there's no law to prevent them from getting in,
and the borders are porous. So now the easiest way is, and that's why it's important, if you follow the news and see the kind of killings going on in Niger, Chad, and in Niger, Burkina Faso and Mali, so much. If this continues like this in the next 1 year, there will be issues. And you know, of recent, there were attacks from Burkina Faso in Benin Republic. It's just 50 kilometers to Nigeria. That is another area. So for me, I think, and like I mentioned, all around us, we have Francophone countries. Our ideologies are not the same. For us to be secured, it is important. Let us fence our borders. Some people say, look, it's expensive. But I say, what is money if you are dead?
Indeed.
It's of no use. So countries that have sat down and have analyzed and seen that, look, strategically is important, because once you fence that area, you use technology now. You have cameras, you have drones that will go. It reduces the manpower you need to engage in that area, and they could be used elsewhere. So that's
according to Nigeria Chief of Defense Staff, Nigeria must promptly fence its entire border. Nigeria máa gbé owó kalẹ̀ gbogbo border tó wà ní Nigeria pátá, the whole 36 states. Nigeria must fence them. Wọ́n á ṣe tó máa ga sókè báyìí. So anybody ò ní lè wọlé. Abẹ́rẹ́ Ọlọ́run. When that fails, then we will fence the state borders and fence all the local government borders, then the streets. Sorry, we already fenced our houses. Foolish people. Showore sọ pé foolish people, èmi kọ́ ni mo sọ o. Don't take me for Showore's words. Showore only foolish people. Ẹgbẹ́ kan ṣe làwọn méjì wà. Now, ẹ wo nǹkan tí Chief of Defence sọ. Ẹ wo nǹkan tí pastor tó kọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn sọ. Ẹ wá wo nǹkan tí Very Dark Man sọ. Ṣé rí pé ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ló kù báyìí. Wọ́n lè sọ pé àwọn ti wà ní Ìbàdàn. Wọ́n láwọn ti wà ní Ìbàdàn. Wọ́n ti rẹ́dí àti wọlé. Wọ́n ní kókàn fún fèrè pọ́pọ́pọ́pọ́pọ́pọ́. Àbóhùn ni fèrè tí wọ́n sọ pé ìpè máa dún ní orí. So lè jẹ́ pé òun ní ìṣòpò òun ní pé Christian ẹja mi sí. Wọ́n ní pé máa dún. You see these people, they say they are waiting for the whistle. Kókàn blow whistle. I am very sure pé ẹnu máa yí ní kọ́kọ́ àti máa kọ́kọ́ máa gbọ́ pé wọ́n ní fèrè làwọn ń dúró de kàn fún fèrè pọ́pọ́pọ́pọ́ every one of them kún yàdànù. Very Dark Man sọ fún wa wípé wọ́n ti wọ everywhere, Lagos, Ìbàdàn, kíníkan ló kù tí wọ́n ti wọ̀, but they have already been surrounded. Question mi fún yín, question àmúrelé tí mo fẹ́ kí everybody dá mi lóhùn sí comment section ni wípé níjọ́ kìíní àná tí wọ́n fẹ́ gba gbogbo ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, ibo náà kọ́kọ́ dé sí. No, question mi ni wípé ìjọ́ kìíní àná tí wọ́n fẹ́ gba gbogbo ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, kọ́mọ ogun Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ wọ́n tó wọ́n ṣe títí Ìbàdàn tẹ́kìtì parapọ̀ tí gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá jọyìn ara wọn papọ̀ tí wọ́n fèsì wọn, ibo náà kọ́kọ́ dé sí. Ibo làwọn Lákúráwá wà nísìn. Ṣó ti yé yín, bọ́dà tí wọ́n máa ń lò nìyẹn. In the name of religion. Tí wọ́n dole gbé kí wọ́n fún fèrè. Ẹ̀yin kan sọ pé àwọn kan gbowó, wọ́n ṣe kíníkan. Ṣí ọ̀yin púẹ̀. Kẹ̀lẹ̀bẹ̀ yín púẹ̀. Ṣé báyìí máa ranjú kalẹ̀ ní? Wọ́n ti Very Dark Man fi style sọ fún yín pé kó ní kálukú lọ wá. Ó ti yé yín. Bó jẹ́ péńpélé, bó jẹ́ gígùn, àwọn kan náà máa fi máa jalè. Gbogbo èèyàn tó lè pa láti ìgbà tó ti dá Nàìjíríà 1960. Mi rò bóyá ó tó yàn tí àwọn àwèrè yìí pa. Láàrin 2015 sí 2025 ọdún mẹ́wàá yìí. Tó àwọn ìlú mi nìsín kò séèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ̀. Wọ́n ká àwọn ọmọ wọn lọ síbẹ̀ ni. Wọ́n tún wá kó owó fún wọn. owó tó gbà lọ́wọ́ ransom owó tó gbà fún ransom wọ́n tún máa wá dà sílẹ̀ lẹ̀ àmọ́ máa fowó yẹn ṣeré àwọn náà wà nígbó a máa fún fèrè wọn bọ̀dá kan tí mo fẹ́ ṣòfin tí mo fẹ́ mo tẹ́ kó mo ti ṣòfin tí màá ṣó ẹ̀ láti máa gbé sí fídíò yẹn sí ní àti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ayé pé màá gbé sí nísìn gbogbo nǹkan la máa fi ń ṣeré ńlẹ̀ Yorùbá gbogbo nǹkan pátá òun la máa fi ń ṣeré ńlẹ̀ Yorùbá ládùúgbò nǹkan tó ń lọ yìí bóyá àwọn ọ̀dẹ̀ mọ̀ ní o you can imagine àwọn ará bí wọlé wọ́n tún kó wọn wọnú géètì inú compound
sábàmù gbogbo wa Tinubu ni òun ló kó bá wa ó ti fẹ́ dáná ní Iran olóhùn fẹ́ jagunjagun nílò káwá tó ní fẹ́ kó bá wa ní ebi pamẹ́kúnnù àwọn òré jẹ gànjẹ àwọn òré yẹn gànjẹ ẹ̀fẹ̀mí ẹ̀lò ẹ̀fẹ̀mí ẹ̀lò ìfàmì nínú nígbàjẹ́ láàárọ̀ ọdún mọ́ ẹ wá gba jẹ́ àwọn sọ owó tí mo fẹ́ fún yín òun mo fẹ́ fi ra gàrí o àti púlìsì àti púlìsì òrówó mọ́ ẹ wá mọ̀ lọ́lọ́ ìwọ̀n gba tìyẹ lọ́wọ́ ẹ lè pín sí mẹ́ta ìfẹ̀kúrú lè fi.
kí lẹ lè rí sọ sí nǹkan tí bọ̀dá yẹn ń ṣe àwọn pípù yìí nǹkan tá a mọ̀ wọ́n sí láti ilẹ̀ náà ní àrí tó máa wá kinní kan bá a bí à ń là alábà musa bá a bí à ń là tá a máa jó irun tó gùn ọ̀ kinní kan ẹ fún wa láṣọ tá a máa kó aṣọ fún wọn bá mú nígbà yẹn wọ́n á gbàrọ́ àti bùbá wọ́n á gbẹ̀wò àti ṣòkòtò ọkùnrin ìjọ tí wọ́n ti wá ń wọlé wá tàti ń rí wọn àwọn ìró àti bùbá tá a fún wọn nígbà yẹn dà á kó skirt and blouse fún wọn á fún wọn ní ìró àti bùbá agbádá a máa kó fún wọn bùbá àti ṣòkòtò a máa kó fún wọn ìjà àrí ìró àti bùbá pé ìkànnì wọn kàn wọ ìró àti bùbá ó wé gèlè sí ṣé kìí pé tógun tí ó kọ́ jalè Yorùbá nìyẹn ṣé kìí ṣe pé tó máa ń jíṣẹ́ fúnyàn ní ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì pé má lo nǹkan ara ẹ̀ má fúnyàn ní nǹkan tó bá ń wọ̀ sára ṣé kìí pé tógun tí ó kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní jalè Yorùbá nìyẹn ó yá wọn láwọn ń ṣe fún wa lówó bàbí à ń la àwọn ọmọ wọn a máa so mọ́ wa kiri a máa gbówó lọ́wọ́ wa wọ́n á wọ̀lú akọ́ pé wọ́n kàn dédé disappear ànírí wọn mọ́ bóyá wọ́n tún gbé màálù wọlé àtún bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní jẹ màálù àwọn òde kí ń jẹ màálù ẹ wo see your my next show Yorùbáwùyí lórúkọ mi Yorùbáwùyí lèmi jẹun tẹ bá rí sí nǹkan tí bọ̀dá ijó tó ń jó yìí táwọn òbíyá rere ni àbáwàdà ni ẹ lè bá mi kọ sí comment section if you are seeing this page for the first time Yorùbáwùyí lórúkọ mi Yorùbáwùyí lèmi jẹ I am the one and only Akalolo of Yorùbá land adáwọn ọ̀lẹ́ Yorùbá ọmọ ìjọmọ rẹ̀ lẹ́yìn tí òkú méjì abẹni ọmọ tí ò ṣe parọ́ tó máa parọ́ tiwa ó máa déwájú federal government tó bá sign ẹ̀ ó máa déwájú Elédùmarè á kú bí 99 times 99 times yes tó wọ́n padà wá sáyé kọ́ wá di Mẹ̀túsẹ́là sí your my nation ẹ fẹ́ sùn síwájú yẹ ẹ̀sùn kí n rí yín kí tẹ̀ ẹ̀sùn síwájú kí n rí yín ẹ̀sùn sẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ti fi kọ́mẹ̀ntì sí comment section ṣe ti set up lórí show yìí ẹ̀ ṣíà ẹ̀ kí ni mo ṣe fún yín kò yí kálò ló máa rojọ́ náà ẹ bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run bó jẹ́ kékeré báyìí tẹ̀ ẹ fi bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run kínkínní báyìí kẹ́ fi sọ̀rọ̀ yín ó dàbọ̀ I love you bye bye.